Well, our broadband index has been a consistent report that we publish every year. And this year, we see similar trends, which signify that 5G continues to be strength to strength in the region, especially in UAE and Saudi Arabia and the advanced markets. We're seeing up to 25 to 50% of the subscribers being already on 5G. And with some estimates, we'll probably see them go up to 90% by 2030, 2031. Also, another key element is fixed wireless access. We're sitting in the UAE. The networks here are carrying up to 70% fixed wireless access traffic on 5G, which is quite significant. Furthermore, I think there are certain advanced 5G solutions that are coming across, and we're looking at those which are critical for enterprise networks. We're very proud of some of the big wins here in the region for enterprise networks, including in oil and gas, as well as in other verticals, and we continue to drive that advanced 5G into those segments as well. I think we're sitting in a region which is quite fascinated by technology in general. So markets like the UAE, with the vision the leadership has in the UAE, I think we continue to drive a lot of innovation in the market here. UAE, Saudi, both are leading when it comes to 5G adoption, like we just talked about. And I believe in the coming years, as we go into 6G, this is where the action will be. So we continue to see evolution towards 5G standalone, which is going to be a key element of driving some of the adoption that we talked about. We also see enterprise use cases such as network slicing, an important part of how you can use your current networks and drive efficient mission critical networks across enterprises, which is also very important. And then finally, I think adoption of AI. This is becoming a very crucial part for anything around networks. So we talk about AI autonomous networks, we talk about AI on RAN, for RAN, and RAN, and that completely signifies where in telco AI will play a role. To simplify, you build products and there will be elements of artificial intelligence that allows you to build certain algorithms to optimize product performance. We have done that through making sure that we're able to optimize power consumption, for example, up to 50% with some of the networks, and this is real reduction in networks in the UAE. Then you talk about AI on RAN, where you can do autonomous network optimization through our self-organized Monterey Autopilot portfolio. We have had trials in the region that have shown significant improvement in what we can do when it comes to networks. And then we also talk about how we can further gather insights using AI and optimize some of the elements such as our portfolio and network monetization. We call it network as a code, and drive that through a number of elements for improving network performance across. Monetization is an important element for the operators to consider today. One of the key elements of this comes from enterprise. Private wireless, we are leaders in private wireless across the world, and we continue to drive that for enterprises, either directly or through the operators. That gives you opportunities to monetize different enterprise businesses. We talked about network slicing. That creates a huge element of improvement when it comes to the quality of service that can be given to enterprises. There are also things like red cap, reduced capability. That brings a lot of opportunities for our operators. We are doing trials with Do here in UAE as well as in Saudi Arabia with multiple operators where we can show advanced 5G solutions through red cap, and that allows operators to monetize. The latest Apple devices have reduced capability, functionality, and now we will see some trends that allow you to monetize. So all of those things play a very important role. Maybe a forward-looking topic is when we move towards AI RAN, I think that opens a host of opportunities for operators to talk about what can be done on the edge. And that's something we need to realize and unveil together with the operators. Today, 80% of the edge is generally owned by the operators. So there will be opportunities where you can use those distributed data centers, allow some of the services towards the edge, and optimize and monetize as much as possible that's available through the enterprise customers, and continue to provide excellent network services across to the consumers as well.